Two small earthquakes were reported near Lima early this afternoon. A 4.4 magnitude earthquake was reported at 12:08 p.m., about 3.7 miles northeast of Lima. It was followed by a 3.5 magnitude earthquake around 12:11 p.m., about 7 miles northeast of Lima. According to the United States Geological Survey, the first earthquake occurred at a depth just over 6 miles, while the second was 6.4 miles beneath the surface. The strongest earthquake to hit Montana in more than a decade happened near Lincoln in July of 2017. Montana is one of the most seismically active states in the U.S.